Hey, happy OLED day. Well, there's no real OLED day, but it is in my house because my new LG OLED E8 just got delivered. So I'm super excited. We're just gonna unbox it. Now, guys, I want you to remember this. This is just a quick unboxing, see what it looks like, bump around the menu, get a feel for it, look at the inputs and stuff like that. If you want a more in-depth and technical review, there are way smarter guys here on YouTube. We're just gonna unbox it and check it out. So this is LG's new OLED for 2018, and I just got it. It retails for about $4,000, $4,200, depending on when you catch it on sale. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking because I know you don't care what I'm saying. Hell, I don't care what I'm saying. We're gonna go down, unbox it, check it out. All right, guys. Okay, and here it is. This is the LG OLED TV 65-inch, and this is the E8, new for 2018. Here's what the box looks like. All right, and this has the new Think AI, the A9 processor, 4K cinematic HDR, Dolby Atmos, picture on glass, and yeah, looks kind of cool. Just wanted you guys to see it here. Look at it from the side. Yeah. Now, if you guys remember, I have the E7 hanging on my wall right now. So that'll probably go in the master bedroom. This is a 65-inch E7, last year's 2017, and this is the 2018. So I'll probably replace this here and then put that one in the master. Here in my great room, on my right side here, I have 16 feet of glass. That's 16 by 8. I would imagine most people don't have that much glass and natural light coming in, so their rooms probably don't get as bright. I would say the majority of people may not have that much glass, but anyways, I have that much light coming in, and I've been rocking with the E7, and it's been just fine. No issues, no nothing. It's all good. The brightness is just fine. So anyways, let's unbox it, check it out. All right, let's open it up. Got my box cutter here. Alexa, turn on great room lights.
Okay.
All right, guys, how's that? All right, got my box cutter here. Really excited. All right, this TV is about $4,200, but just like anything, the more you wait, the more it'll go on sale. So if you wait till Black Friday, or you wait till this time next year, they'll be coming out with the new one for 2019, and the 2018s will go on sale. So you don't have to buy it right away and pay that early adopter's fee. You know, anytime you get something when it first comes out, more than likely, you're gonna pay a premium. But as time goes on, the price will go down. Me, I'm just an impatient idiot. I don't care. Now that we got that piece off, this out. This back piece. Here. Alright. Now probably what I'm going to do is get the base, put it on, and then put it up on the table here, on the coffee table, so you guys can better see it. Alright, so I put the stand on it, got it out of the box, and let's both see what the screen looks like together. Ready? Alright. Ta-da! Alright, and there it is. One thing I do like about the E series and up is it comes with the picture on glass. Now it looks like here, this is new. They have like some protective film over it. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Now this is, I bought a couple LGs and this is the first time I've seen this. Maybe it's something new for 2018. Alright. Bam. Now it's just like Wesley Snipes black. Like just super midnight wet inky black. Wow. Alright, let me take this camera in closer so you guys can get a good look at it. Here's the front of it. So black, I mean, it's just reflecting the rest of my house back there. I have to stand back in order for you to see how black it is. It's nuts. See if I can get in from here. Yeah, just huge black mirror finish. Now let's look at the bottom here. You can see the glass at the bottom. They've gotten rid of that sound bar that used to be at the bottom, like on the E7. So as you see, it's like that all along the bottom. I'll show you my E7. And the E7 has that sound bar all across the bottom that some people didn't care for. Me, doesn't bother me, I don't care, but you can see how the glass is maybe a little more aesthetically pleasing to some. And here's the new base for the E8. Here's this. All right, let me go around and show you the back side. Okay, here's the back side. Oh, really quick, I want you guys to see, look how thin it is. It's like razor thin until you get back here to where the connections are and stuff like that, but look at that. I don't know how they do it. Alright, so anyways, let's look at the back. Got some serial number information there. This shows you how to put the stand on. Okay, and this looks like holes for your wall bracket, wall mount. Okay. Got USB 3.4, HDMI 4, that LAN, optical. Still good. Ooh, this is new. Let's see what they did here. And they have USB, HDMI 3, 2, and 1. And that's all your connections. So it looks like it's a little neater, which is good. You'll be able to go closer to the wall, tuck in all your connections here, and then just have them routed through here and come out. Not too bad. Easy to get to. So that is the back side, and here's your directional thing. And push in, enter, so your manual control for the television. But yeah, this is it. Okay, let's go ahead and plug it in and just bump around the menu a little bit. See what it looks like. Okay, let's open up the package with the remote. See what that looks like versus the 2017 remote. Okay, now here's the new remote versus 2017 remote. 2018? 2017. Believe it or not, I like the look of the one on the left from the E7 versus the E8, but it still has the roll. Push in for enter. Still got your Netflix buttons, Amazon, input. Versus the old one. Okay, and I always get asked what remote I prefer, and I use this Logitech Elite one right here. See, those are all the activities I have. I got a bunch more, but yeah, I prefer that remote. And that's the one I use all the time. Okay, so I just have it in the stand really quick to show you guys before I throw it on the wall, because I know you guys don't care about the installation on the wall. Plus, if you want to see that, I did that on the E7. So let's go ahead and cut it on and see what we're working with here.
Please press the OK wheel button on the remote. Volume. OK. Confirm your location and language settings. Navigate with left, right, up, down and OK button on the remote. English. Check.
Wow, this thing talks to you.
Volume. 27.
This is all new, guys.
English. Check. Language English. Time zone select. ADAC. Unchecked. Los Angeles. Chicago. Detroit. Unchecked. Indianapolis. Phoenix.
Okay, we'll
Los
go
Angeles.
with
Unchecked. Los Angeles. Check. Time zone Los Angeles. OK. Button. LG TV provides audio guidance for the visually impaired. No. Button. Your TV has been located.
They found me.
Connect all TV equipment and other devices now for easiest setup. Cable satellite connected to HDMI. AV port on TV. Unchecked. Cable satellite connected to antenna port on TV. I don't have TV. How do you get your TV service? I don't have TV service in order to proceed with channel tuning.
Okay, that's
your TV
annoying.
needs to know how
I'm
it's
gonna turn that down. Okay, zip code. Let's just try 9, 4, 5, 3, 6. Fin. Okay. Okay, I got some Dolby Vision stuff here.
Okay. 17, 24.
Not bad. Not bad. Alright guys, let's just go around the menu here. Let's see how this moves. I could tell you the colors are rich, vibrant, and like I said, I'm still in that same room here. With all that glass, and the brightness has no effect on my viewing ability. But as you can see, the menu here looks like it's moving around good. YouTube, all this stuff. Let's take a look at the settings. Ooh, mobile connection, you got that. Let's go to settings here. Settings are on the right hand side. Original, standby, internal speakers. Let's go to all settings. Alright, picture, Dolby Atmos, adaptive sound control. So pretty much the same stuff. Looks good. I can't wait to get this on the wall. Pretty geeked up about this. Haven't hooked up the Ethernet or anything, but you could see that there's the TV, the 65-inch E8. All good. General, location, quick start, account management, blah 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 blah. So that's it, guys. Accessibility. This seems to move a little faster to me compared to my E7. Yeah guys, looks good. Sorry it's not in 4K, this being a 4K TV and all, but I'm not shooting in 4K. But anyways, you get the idea. Just wanted to take it out of the box. Wanted you guys to see it, but trust me when I tell you it looks absolutely amazing. So that's it guys. Anyways, go buy one. It's dope. Laters. Yeah, something here too on the back. The black on the back of the TV isn't just black, it's like metallic. I don't know if you guys can see like where my finger is right here. See those sparkles? Yeah, it's like a metallic on the back. So don't think it's just a regular black paint back here or whatever they use, but it's like all sparkly and metallic. It's hard to get a good angle to show you, but trust me, it looks pretty cool. Okay guys, that's it. This is the brand new E8 for 2018 65-inch OLED by LG. This one has the A9 intelligent processor. This TV also has ThinkQ AI. That becomes the hub for your connected smart devices. Way more than apps and entertainment, the LG AI TV uses intelligent voice control to create a hub for the smart home and beyond. So it seems pretty cool. And yeah, like I said, I like the glass design that comes with the E8 and up, the E series and up pretty much. And yeah, that's it. So we're all done, guys. Hope you just got to see what it looked like. And for a way more intelligent and in-depth review, be sure to go ahead and check out some other guys on YouTube, because they will break down all the stats and analytics and graphics and charts, and they get way deep into it. Me, I just want to show you this, and then yeah, that's it. All right, guys, don't forget, the longer you wait, the more it'll go on sale. So if you wait 6 months from now, it'll probably be cheaper. If you wait till Black Friday, Christmas, it'll be cheaper. If you wait till this time next year, it should be really cheap, because the 2019s will be coming out. And that's one thing I love about LG TVs. When you leave them there, their screensaver is fireworks. Lighters.